Equifax, one of the credit rating agencies approved by SEBI, collects and analyzes data to generate credit scores or reports of both individuals and firms. Equifax ePORT is a business-to-business portal marketplace that offers customers with user-friendly tools that provide bottom-line results. The portal comes with key applications such as expense reduction and revenue growth, serving businesses of all sizes and acting as a combination of storefronts. A single sign-on process gives you access to a variety of information and tools in a single package. Consumer and commercial products such as fraud solutions, decision-making solutions, and employment verification are all available here. ePORT makes an immediate impact on your company's productivity. All users can get a personalized and secure web experience while using the portal, which acts as a common entry point and information source for all kinds of businesses, irrespective of their size. A client can also get role-based and location-based security to control access to information. Need to check your Equifax credit score? Well, all you need to do is sign up at the MyMoneyKarma website. We provide free access to your credit score, your detailed credit report, and personalized advice on how your credit can be improved. Moreover, checking your credit score with MyMoneyKarma is a soft inquiry, meaning it does not have any impact on your credit score. You can get started right away by following the link below.